What is she doing? She is combing her hair. Are you with me? Yes, I am with you. What are you doing? I am going to get my hair cut. What are you doing? I am washing my hairs. What do you need? I need a handkerchief. Where is my handkerchief? Take your handkerchief from there. What can you do for me? I can do anything for you. Can you call me? No, I am busy. I want to walk in the park. Don't walk barefoot in the park. Where shall I take you? Take me to the park. Do you know how to cook? Yes, I am good at cooking. For what is she calling? She is calling for help. Why do you want to go home? Because I am feeling sleepy. Where will you sleep? I will sleep in a hotel. What do you want? I want to help him. Give me a mobile. No, you will lose it. Did you break it? No, I did not break it.